Question puro te hakani ka video mata ngat pen ken question paper ke bade jongka mathematic jongka post driver jongki post driver ta kena question number arpwe had arsan mo na kena ko kadur phiapan jawab santali ki question ta pulih bhai ka jikli kan ma wan pulih bha man pej bha wanam karke ma so ben answer ki jawab ko jongpi kan jingli ongomno study the following graphs carefully peja kadur mo la ay kadur po jingli jongpi graphs and answer the question that follow. The graph represent the total number of tickets sold of 5 play PQRST across the auditorium A and B on a particular day. Tapi hang nama kini day ki ni play kan ada graph mo ada graph PQRST tehne ble lashna graph da graph tehne ble ki auditorium mut ki jaka lekai ko stage kan te hang nama te kidon hane artli auditorium A auditorium B auditorium A auditorium B ne la pani mong la tho ne A B bre bayong B dai bam thoi A mo to kan mau ba kata artli ki auditorium mo la ai hang ne te kine la ai da ki represent ni tiket da ki PQRST kan mau ba kan ga graph mo tengen ya ka question number san arpwe pulebha wanam karke mo pulebha kana manam bakala mo the total number of tickets sold of play T kan mau na T at auditorium A mo di bayong pa bayong is what percent of the number of ticket of play P sold at auditorium A te kano percent ka is what percent of the number of ticket of play P sold at auditorium A kano percent ka mut ka tam ya ka auditorium P ha ka ticket of number of ticket of play P sold at auditorium A is what percent the number kano percent bade ya page ni kong ne ticket play T pejauti tema auditorium A di bayong ini bayong te kadai sauspa tengal athong nama play ada auditorium A kadai sauspa is what percent of the number of ticket of play P sold at auditorium A katno bade ka tam ya ka jika ticket of play P at auditorium A te P A aspa ini mah pej bahaya kadur ni bayong dai U A aspa tesau minus aspa kadai aspa temka aspa persen bade tam ya ka auditorium A jong play P ngama tek answer ne kadai aspa barok sandali ki jawab question kamu be phapenya kajuk ka gram no tal adap nang tu in one sa question number arma what is the total number of tickets sold of play Q and R together at both the auditorium A and B together. What is the total number? Katno ki total number jong ki ticket sold of play Q and R. Barok mo nelong Q and R together. Barok R teman lau Q kidon R ki auditorium A and B tapanya Q and R plus Q and R at both kemud ba barok R but A but B A and B together. Tehang ne P and Q and R tehang ne mo ne Q ne R phebe plus lang kini berarti mo A B bemone A phebe unit number ne mo to lais pesan phau A plus saus pa B jong Q R bade R pesan phau A plus lais pesan phau jong athong ne hang tu pilih Q plus B lais pesan phau plus saus pa pesan phau pilih R A plus B pesan phau plus lais pesan phau terus pa then laya plus kini pada ngayo khalai san phau kadai khalai san phau what is the total number baro plus lang itu baro artli ki play Q and play R Q but R plus lang kini artli both A and B dengan yo hangne khalai san phau is the correct answer shift plus ben sama takne R apply. What is the respective ratio of the number of tickets sold of play P at auditorium B to the number of tickets sold of play Q at auditorium B? Pan ya ka ratio mo najrong berapa kemudian new ke ratio. So what is the respective ratio of the number of ticket taken mau ne ai ningkong ini dayu ticket sold of play P dan hap ajrong play P auditorium B beda atau play P at B. Okay. Today kemudian apa the number of ticket sold play Q B turut dan atau nama play P at B play Q at B. Teng apa yung play P yang ni kadur play Q apa yang nak kadur play P B ni dia bom emang lah thong tay B ni the light spa by play Q at B ni mo B light spa hapo sau spa light spa hapo sau spa mo apa yang kadur sa thong ni light spa hapo sau spa cancel not salah ya sao tunggu lie by sao ke ratio ke lie by sao tu kan lie by sao. Sa question number R sao what is the difference a ka jing pair lane minus between the total number of tickets sold kan mau of all play together all play kemudian ba both baro santli play hakane long ma kini di play mo we are like sau san te ab kemudian auditorium gi jaka nyelek kai gi tagi play ne auditorium auditorium B kumta kan te both baro difference. What is the difference between the total number of tickets sold ni tiket pelaban D hakini gi auditorium of all play together baro play PQRS auditorium A how A shon kong and total number of tickets sold all together auditorium B tak mut ba ningkong phap shum sha plus sha baro kine a baro jong P Q R S T laga jong sa plus lang sa jong B baro jong ki P Q R S T laga jong saya minus kan tapi yang tu all play at A aspa plus license plus license plus spa tio kason spa all play at B yang plus tu license plus spa license kandusan po saya minus saya answer sepasan po dia minus sepasan po tidak kan mau kan ini nomor one check ni ini nomor ang ni kumune ba e de aspa kumune de license ne de sauce pa kumtu dah kan mau check kumtu kan okay tumul answer ang ne kadai hispa san po different saya minus balas lah what is the average number of tickets sold at auditorium B for play T and S together. HPO auditorium B T and S together. What is the average? Panic average number. Teka formula KDB average equal to total sum by number of solution. Number of solution KDB artli KDB jong observation KDB jong T by jong S. Teka total sum pun hai plus u T by S ma. Plus u T by S jong u B ma. Tang jong B T by S jong B. T and S. T and S jong BB day gibam ada jong tengmut ba T day sepasan po plus S day lai sepasan po R sepasan po plus sepasan po by R kemut ba R telima absorption kita R teliki auditorium day T but S auditorium okay play kemut ba ini lagi play R teliki play mo play T but play S okay then layo R teli tesa plus bagi nene jerong ya plus yo andru spa te R line andru te yo lai spa kan kane karon kam tang ba phin puli bahai jangli wanam karke te check bahan naga grab mo check bahan naga grab bad ba lala baj ban atem yaki question te kini baro kinwan hi kumju hi question ma pe ka average kawan lot jong UB jong AB kawan lot average te sa penkre bahamo ngasa continue bang ke wepat ke video. Terima kasih.